Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at the Whop website. I'll be explaining to you guys how can you set up your PayPal payment method for your payouts. So let's jump right into it. So first of all, you'll open up Whop on your preferred web browser. Make sure that you're logged in with your profile as well. And now from the dashboard of your Whop down here, scroll until you see the finances section. And from the finances, you will click on payouts. Then head over to other payment methods. And as you can see, there is an option to set up PayPal to accept PayPal payments. To set it up, click on the setup button on the right hand side, connect your PayPal account, and click on next. Essentially, this will now redirect you to the paypal.com website where you will have to connect your account directly. So you'll have to log in with your account, accept the syncing in with WAP, and once you click on next, your account will be connected and loaded. So I won't go through the whole process right now, but just follow the steps on the screen and you'll be good to go. Once you set it up, you'll be able to accept PayPal payments as well as to do payouts with your PayPal account. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.